families. Bless us and give us good deliberations this morning. And we pray you'll give us clarity of mind. And we will, through these deliberations, we'll make decisions that are for the good of the people